everyone, this is Prabhashri, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see a sum about a rotational. So here is the sum. Find the constant ABC so that the vector, they have given the vector is irrotational. They have given the clue as an irrotational. So what is meant by irrotational? We know the del cross effector, that is curl effector, which is equal to 0. This is the condition for the irrotational. So now we are going to introduce the formula for del cross effector. So which is del cross effector equal to I vector, j vector and then k vector and then dou by dou x, del and then dou by dou y, dou by dou z and then function of f1. Here is the function. So function of f1, f2, f3. So the variables of del is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z and then the variables of a function is f1, f2, f3. So now we are going to calculate del cross effector for the given function effector. So which is equal to I vector in dou by dou x. Here we are having f1 as in front of I vector we are having f1 x plus 2y plus az. So x plus 2y plus az. And then for j vector dou by dou y, here we are having f2 as bx minus 3y minus z. So bx minus 3y minus z. And then for k vector dou by dou z, we are having f3 as 4x plus cy plus 2z. So 4x plus 3y, cy plus 2 into z. So these are the things we are writing. So now we are going to calculate the modulus value of the del cross effector. So which is I vector into dou by dou f. We are considering I vector, so we have to take the value of dou by dou y and dou by dou z. So bx minus 3y minus z into dou by dou z of 4x plus cy plus 2z and then minus j vector. So minus j vector means we have to omit this row and this column. Then we are having dou by dou x, x plus 2y plus az and then dou by dou z. So 4x plus cy plus 2z plus k vector. So k vector into dou by dou x, x plus 2y plus az and then dou by dou y bx minus 3y minus z. So now we are going to cross multiply these terms. Then we will get I vector into dou by dou y of this term. So we are going to differentiate the whole term with respect to y. So here we are having x term and z term, it will be 0. Then we are having c into y. So differentiating y we will get 1. Then we are having c. So c and then minus of dou by dou z of this term. Here we are having x term and y term, it will get 0. And then z term already is in the minus. Already we are having minus here. So we will get plus 1. Then for minus j vector. So here we are going to dou by dou x of the whole term. That is we are going to differentiate the whole term with respect to x. So here we are having a x term as 4x. So we will get 4 unknown. Then dou by dou z of this whole term. Here we are having a z term as az. So minus a plus k vector into as the same thing we are going to differentiate here. Then b minus dou by dou of this term equal to 2. So which is equal to 0. Now we are going to equate the terms. So c plus 1 equal to 0. 4 minus a equal to 0. b minus 2 equal to 0. From these terms and V equal to 2. That's it. Thank you.